Apple reaches settlement to pay $15 to some iPhone 4S owners who experienced buggy performance after an iOS 9 update. A long-lasting 6-year class action lawsuit that accused it of knowingly slowing down iPhone 4S devices following the iOS 9 update in 2015, agreeing to pay some iPhone 4S owners who had experienced poor performance $15 for their claims. Give me $15. My phone was slow 6 years ago. My phone was slow 6 years ago. I want 15. I want to buy some lunch. I want to buy some pre-inflation lunch.
That was a good joke.
I don't think it was that good, but thank you, Mo. I appreciate it because it feels good now. You've convinced 7 people in the audience.
Convinced? I thought it was funny.
Which is good. Which is fun.
Which is good.
Which is good. The class action lawsuit was initially filed in December 2015. God, this stuff, it just drags on and on. How can I even know 2015? Do you know what was going on in 2015? No, you don't. There was a lawsuit. It was a class action. I'm getting $15 today. Apple marketed iOS 9 with the tagline, the most advanced mobile experience. Now, even more so, the update included proactive Siri suggestions, slide over, split view, picture-in-picture. Let's go trip down memory lane. Remember the iOS 9 update? Wasn't it a great one? I loved the iOS 9 update, whatever. Anyway, I guess it wasn't an upgrade for these people because they think that their stuff lagged after. I can't say for certain why. I assume, I do remember the situation, but this was after the 4S, where battery life was being prioritized over performance on a software update. I don't know. There might have been a class action about that too. But what's funny is there's so many damn users on the class action that $15 equates to 20 million total in order to compensate. Yeah. There's so many people going to get this $15. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a check for. I don't remember if I definitely had an iPhone 4S.
Did you sign
I think you have to sign something, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I sign.
No, I don't think
you ask, I sign.
Okay.
That's my rules on that.
All right. Remind me to fill in my next paycheck.
You ask, I sign. I didn't say I don't look.
Okay.
I sign. I scratch out and I sign.
Right.
But I still sign. All right.
$15. Wow.
Yeah. Well, anyway, I don't know. Listen, go sign up if you had an iPhone 4S and you suffered greatly.
Can you? I don't think you can sign up now.
You sign up. Go get 15. I don't know.
I think you still can.
Oh,
right?
wow.
Class actions are weird like that. You just need to prove certain things that you're a part of it. I don't know.